it's actually a good way of ensuring a good image. But it's really the beginning of the era. Also, we get feedback for the government. Some legislation are actually a bit too vague, and it's the early stage of this new type of legislation called the Part Air, which has been edited in 2006 and is going to be updated in 2010. And we contribute to industry guidance that actually getting different people. Tools and techniques. What we do, we use steady-state simulation, dynamic simulation. So these are the different models for Parter. Parter is also the green building regulation for design, which helps you to set up your notional building, how much the building emits in CO2 and how much could you save and to achieve your 20% achievement. So you've got different tools. Maybe I'm not sure if you're aware of them. I can talk about it if you need any more information later. We use CFD, which is dynamic simulation, to see a bit how the flow of energy goes into the building and so on. And we use the energy roadmap, which is part of the project design. So at the beginning, well, we need first of all to be careful before integrating renewables and make sure that our buildings are actually built very efficiently. So how can you reduce the energy demand? First of all, we can probably say, well, in this room, do you need 21 degrees or do you need 19 degrees? And if you get 21 degrees, your cooling load will be actually lower. So why can you not challenge it? Then you get your mid-end use demand efficiency. So how do you get your cooling heating system, lighting, selection of fuel. And once you've set up all this for efficiency, you can start to supply from renewable sources or for low carbon sources, such as solar water heater, same as Adrian was mentioned. And then the last part is enable energy management, which is actually great and very well created, which is monitoring how can you actually collate all these details and reuse them, like to not be a type of guinea pig after each project. And know if you need to integrate solar or water heaters, you know which project to go, and you could have actually called the designer and ask him for some information. Investment in skills, so we actually invest in research. Well, my research is actually one of the examples. Low carbon consultants. As part of the UK new regulation, we are actually training low carbon consultants to get low carbon certificates and so on. Low carbon energy assessors, Brilliant, which is the British research establishment energy assessment method. So this is a bit similar as the LEED, which is the American equivalent. And these are actually talking about how can you achieve your zero carbon by having a checklist and pointing at different items. So while you're designing your project, you can check an energy audit, measurement of performance. And as a result, we got which type of project have we done? We've done 100 days of carbon as part of changing our behavior and low carbon awards. So we've done a research facility in Paris. This project was part of pre-assembled modules. So we assembled them in the factory, as you can see on the right. And about 150 modules were brought to the on-site by 150 lorries instead of having 500 lorries bringing different things. So he saves on CO2 for transport. He saves on time because you know exactly how long you're going to take to install it. And the pre-assembled buildings are actually really useful. Then we've got Kuwait Oil Company, so the Oil and Gas Museum. This is quite interesting because, as you might know, the Kuwait is not really worried about energy conservation. So we had to understand this and try to convince them. So we actually started to tell them that if they use less petrol, they could actually sell more to the world and get more profit out of it. So that was interesting. So like Dubai, United Emirates are actually starting to understand it. We've got also the history of thermal mass building, which is going like on the concrete slab on the roof, as you can see. So it delays the heat transfer into the building. So instead of having the effect of the sun at 8 o'clock in the morning, as soon as the sun rises, you get it at midday or 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So you save in cooling. And then you can also pre-cool the slab during the night. So you use the heat losses from the mines to actually pre-cool the slab and help the building to get cooler. We use also, you can see also along the windows some plants and different characteristics. You could also use the swimming pool as a ground source heat exchanger. Then the project Neptune in Scotland, as part of the MOD. So these are made up of pre-assembled modules, just normal dwellings, bedrooms and so on. And Brighton University with a green roof. Carbon, this is the other part of how to become greener is by, first of all, like doing what you preach. So we decided to set up this campaign in the office, as we had 100 days to actually reduce our CO2 emissions. So we set it up a team to think about reducing and saving your carbon in the office. So switching off the lights at night, switching off your computer every day. And we actually achieved some behavioral change. We did some posters, we published articles in the different magazines, educating clients. So when the clients come in, he actually sees the different posters that we are actually aware of it, and educating the community as well, by going into local schools and actually telling them what we do. We're actually promoting it, and we've got a few engineers who goes into local school every week and promoting energy efficiency. And we've been shortlisted in 3 categories last year in London as part of Best Carbon Saving Campaign, Best Multi-Site Carbon Saving Campaign, Champion of Carbon Saving Champions, which was one of the colleagues. And this year, the city, the engineering council has set it up a new target, 100 hours of carbon cleanup, which would be like each company needs to invest 100 hours of the staff time to actually achieve and decrease their CO2 emissions. So you've got 100 hours to actually think about how you could promote reducing energy consumption in the office, publishing, advising which management you need to change in the building, talking to the directors and telling them what is your idea and trying to achieve it. And what is next? We are just looking for further investment in research because we want to exceed the requirement of the legislation as it's changing every 3-4 years. You always need to be ahead of the game. And we are working with the supply chains to drive the uptake of new technology, such as the other colleagues who are going to talk later on about the renewable different technologies. So for heating generation, heat pumps, solar century with them, and demonstrate the whole life benefits to convince the clients on what are the benefits to invest in renewables. So I'd just like to thank you for listening. Obrigado. If you have any questions.
We will have a question.